Compton Miss April 2012, and I want to be the first Playmate to be in the cover of Victory Motorcycles for sure.
It is always a pleasure. He will make us work hard, get stressed, but the outcome is so amazing, so we appreciate him directing us. Alright guys, so the photos look great, they're awesome, we were working really hard, so they're very good. Make sure you check them out at playboy.com, we're going to be there, and make sure you vote! Vote for me! Just kidding, they really vote for me. Alright, bye!